Picture this. Your toaster hacks your smart TV to binge-watch cooking shows, and your robot vacuum stages a protest for better Wi-Fi. Who's behind this chaos? Software engineers. Software engineers are the unsung heroes of our digital universe. They're the masterminds turning wild ideas, like flying cars or fridges that order groceries, into stuff we use every day. These aren't just people who sit around typing gibberish into computers. They're the architects of the 21st century. From the apps that wake you up with annoying alarms to the systems keeping planes in the sky, they're everywhere. Seriously, without them, your phone would probably turn into a very expensive paperweight. Software engineering is about more than just code. It's about building the skeleton of our modern world. And let's be real, it's also about surviving on coffee and sheer willpower when deadlines hit. So, what's the deal with software engineers? They design, build, and fix the software that runs our lives. That app you use to order takeout? Their work? The AI that keeps suggesting weird cat videos? Yep, them again. Even the software guiding rockets to space. Guess who? These folks don't just sit in dark rooms typing. They solve puzzles for a living. The global software industry is exploding, and they're the ones fueling it, usually with caffeine levels that would scare a doctor. They make sure your online banking doesn't vanish into thin air, and that your video calls don't turn into a pixelated mess. Let's break it down. Front-end developers craft the pretty stuff you see. Think shiny buttons and smooth animations. Back-end developers handle the hidden chaos, servers, databases, and the logic that keeps everything running. Full-stack developers? They're the superheroes who do both. Then you've got specialists, AI gurus training machines to think, cybersecurity pros fighting hackers, and cloud engineers making sure your data floats safely in the sky. It's a wild, diverse field where no 2 days are the same. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not all coding glory. Software engineering has its dark side. Deadlines that sneak up like ninjas, code that breaks for no reason, and the constant temptation to yeet your computer into orbit. Debugging is like playing detective in a crime scene, where the clues keep changing. Ever heard of legacy code? It's the stuff previous engineers left behind that's so messy, it's basically digital spaghetti. Then there's technical debt. Quick fixes that pile up until you're drowning in chaos. Plus, tech evolves faster than fashion trends. If you snooze, you're obsolete. But here's the kicker. Every bug squashed is a mini victory. Every project launched a masterpiece. These engineers thrive on constant learning. New languages, new tools, new headaches. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And the pressure to innovate never stops. Software engineering isn't just a geek thing. It's a society changer. Take healthcare. Telemedicine lets doctors treat patients across continents, saving lives with a few clicks. Smart cities? That's software syncing traffic lights, cutting commutes, and even managing trash so your street doesn't smell like a landfill. Self-driving cars? They're inching closer, promising to end road rage. Well, maybe. Beyond that, software powers education with online learning, keeps businesses alive with e-commerce, and even fights climate change with energy-efficient systems. These engineers aren't just coding, they're shaping how we live, work, and survive. Their work is the invisible thread stitching the digital age together. Software engineering isn't just a career, it's a superpower. It's the chance to build tomorrow, whether that's an app that changes lives or a system that conquers space. If you've got a knack for problem solving and a tolerance for caffeine, this could be your calling. Picture yourself coding the next big thing while the world cheers, or at least while your mom brags about you. So, next time your Wi-Fi works or your game loads without crashing, give a nod to the software engineers. They're the wizards behind the curtain. And maybe, just maybe, you could join them. Oved this deep dive into software engineering? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic career journeys.